Hey, what's up, guys? So I didn't know if I was gonna do a recap today or not because my trade is kind of messy and I'm not really proud of my day. But I'm just gonna go over a couple of plays that were good. So opening range breakdown. I saw that it was very weak, so I took a small size, 100 shares. It dropped, kind of got stopped at this level, so I covered my 100 shares. Here again, I saw that it did pop up, couldn't hold the level. 1 minute, there was a downward trend on the 1 minute. SMA was coming down, lower highs, and then it sort of consolidated here. I was watching to see if it would break this. It didn't break it here, and then it fell. It didn't break this, so I took 300 or 400 shares here. It dropped a bit. I know that this is a level it held, so I partialed out some, get out of break even. It dropped, and then I covered on my way down. It didn't break this level. It popped back up. I thought that it was gonna consolidate and then try to break this level again. Instead, it popped up, and I had a pretty sizable loss here. I should have gotten out earlier. I had a couple opportunities. In this 1 minute, another 1 minute, it was basically at break even. I should have gotten out. I did not, and then it popped on me, so I got out there. Um, it in After the fact, it did hit this level, didn't break it. I went back down, so I went back in short again. When it dropped down, I covered. Again, I made the mistake of going short, hoping it'll break this level. It did not pop up. I covered, and then I saw that it didn't really break this, so I was pretty confident it was going to break that level. So I went short. It dropped. I covered some. It popped back up at it, and then as it dropped, I covered again. Same here. Went short, covered again, but I went prematurely because this level, which is about the 138, eventually did break. So it broke at around here. But I just over traded. You see why I don't want to talk about today. There's not a lot of clean trades, so I don't really want to talk about it when not doing clean trades and whatnot. So ROKU messed me up as well. ROKU, I thought it was gonna go up, but instead it kind of came back down. So I went small size, 100 shares, popped up. I didn't sell any. Instead, it dropped down, and then I added to it, and then I got stopped out. Here, I tried to go long again, I think, and then it just tanked on me like really quickly. So I got stopped out, gave back all my profit essentially. And then I got chopped up here again. Actually, here I think I just scalped it for a quick win. So I saw I got stopped here, went in 100 shares, popped up, and then I just got out because it didn't even make it all the way up. It just tanked. So I gave back most of my profit here. This huge drop in the 1 minute, oh my god, 121. Oh my god, it's like a 60-cent drop. So I gave back a lot of profit there for ROKU. Very clean trades. Oh, BIDU, I did pretty well on BIDU. Saw that I was holding this level here. So I went short, aiming to break through. My target originally was 124, but then I readjusted it back up to 130-ish because this is the level it got stopped at, and then I partialed all the way down. I did get my 200 shares down here, so it's 100. So basically, I did 400 shares, 200 here, and I partialed on the way down. Well, maybe I took 500 actually. Sorry, I took 500 shares. So that was my my trade. This is a clean one. This was good. A similar one where it was not as clean and I chickened out was YELP. On YELP, and the similar idea. Here, I went short. Sorry. So I went short. My goal was down here actually, 34.6. So why is it down there? Because on the 5 minute, I actually had a where is it? The reason why I had a profit target of 34.5 was because of this SMA. So I was gonna covered on the way down close to SMA, but I want to be conservative. I think I took a pretty sizable position, like 500 shares. So down here, I was going to cover like most of my positions and then cover more. But it hung around here for quite a while. I didn't want this to pop on me. So I got out. And then after I got out, it dropped a bit to 34.68. hung around there. I could have partialed out there and then wait to see what happens. I wasn't patient, so good idea, but whatever. It's it did chop around, so it's good to be playing defensively. So that's pretty much it. I did TDC, but TDC was a chop fest, so I did a lot of like. Where is TDC? So I was thinking it would go down here. I took small sizes in the beginning and then I added to it here. I was going to get stopped out, but I saw that it didn't break high of the day, so I kept my position, and then on the way down I covered. I covered here, and the reason why I went short and kept adding to my positions. Initially there was a huge position at 25.55. It was like 100 somewhat thousand size. So that was a huge position. So I was very short bias on that. And then the stock was weak too. So when it popped up, couldn't break high of the day. I kept adding to my position until it dropped. And now it's going down again. Probably the VWAP. It's never tested VWAP before. So that's it. It's not a clean day. Not really proud of my my trades, but I'll take it for a Friday.